Have you ever felt anxious, stressed, or stuck in patterns you can't seem to break? Or maybe you've struggled with past trauma, self doubt, or limiting beliefs that hold you back from living the life you truly deserve. If so, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to introduce you to EFT Tapping, which stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. A simple yet powerful method that can help you release emotional blocks, reduce stress, and create space for healing and transformation. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mahesha Rice, an EFT tapping therapist and a Reiki master. In this video, I'll explain what EFT is, how it works, and why it's so effective. I'll also share my personal story, how EFT helped me heal from years of childhood trauma and emotional pain, and why I'm so passionate about helping others. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of EFT, the points we tap on, and how we can support you in breaking free from emotional baggage, reducing anxiety, and even manifesting your dreams. So stick around, you won't want to miss this. So, what is EFT tapping? EFT tapping stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. It's a self-help therapeutic method that combines principles from ancient Chinese acupressure and modern psychology. Developed in 1995 by Gary Craig, it's designed to reduce various conditions such as anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and overwhelm. It can also help clear away limiting beliefs that prevent us from achieving our goals and manifesting our dreams. The technique involves gently tapping on specific acupressure points while focusing on particular emotions or issues, aiming to restore balance to the body's energy system. By addressing both the physical sensations and the emotional aspects of a problem, tapping helps release negative energy and create space for clarity, peace, and confidence. You might also notice that EFT involves rating how you feel before and after a tapping session, using a scale from 0 to 10. This is called the SUD scale, the subjective units of distress scale, and it's simple yet powerful way to measure the intensity of an emotion or problem you're addressing. So, for example, before you begin tapping, you might feel a level 8 anxiety about an upcoming presentation, for example. After a few rounds of tapping, that number may drop to a 3 or even a 0. This process helps track your progress and provides a clear sense of how much emotional charge has been released. Not only does this give you feedback in the moment, but it also builds confidence in the process, showing you that change is happening, sometimes faster than you might even expect. It reminds us that emotions are not fixed and that we have the ability to shift and release them. So let's go through the primary tapping points used in EFT. We have the first point, the carotid chop point, located on the outer edge of the hand, below the pinky finger. This point is associated with the small intestine meridian and helps release feelings of being stuck, promoting progress and healing. Then we have the eyebrow point at the beginning of the eyebrow, near the bridge of the nose, linked to the bladder meridian. Tapping here can release trauma and sadness, fostering emotional healing. Then we have the side of the eye, on the bone bordering the outside corner of the eye. Connected to the gallbladder meridian, it aids in releasing resentment and anger, promoting clarity and compassion. Then we have under the eye, on the bone under the eye, directly below the pupil. Associated with the stomach meridian, this point helps alleviate fear and anxiety, promoting a sense of safety. Then we have under the nose, between the bottom of the nose and the upper lip. linked to the governing vessel meridian. Tapping here releases shame and powerlessness, fostering self acceptance. Then we have our chin point, midway between the bottom of the lower lip and the chin, connected to the central meridian. It helps release confusion, promoting clarity and confidence. Then we have the collarbone point, just below the collarbone, about an inch to the left or right of the center. Associated with the kidney meridian, tapping here can ease feelings of being stuck, encouraging progress and clarity. Then we have under the arm, about 4 inches below the armpit, linked to the spleen meridian. This point helps relieve guilt and worry, fostering relaxation and self-compassion. And then the last one is the top of the head, directly on the crown of the head. This area encompasses multiple meridian points and is associated with the crown chakra, promoting spiritual connection and alignment. A bit about me. My journey with EFT began as a desperate search for healing after years of carrying the weight of childhood trauma and abuse, most of which happened after I was adopted at the age of 8. I grew up feeling abandoned, unworthy, and disconnected from myself, from others, and from the world around me. The scars of my past ran deep, leaving me feeling overwhelmed, anxious, and constantly triggered by memories I couldn't escape. So, for years, I struggled to find peace, often feeling like I was stuck in survival mode. But when I discovered EFT, everything began to change. Tapping gave me the tools to release the deep seated emotions and traumas I had buried for so long. It helped me face the pain I had avoided and break free from the patterns and beliefs that were holding me back. Through EFT tapping, I was able to quiet the voice of fear and self doubt, heal the wounds of my past, and regain control of my emotions. It gave me the freedom to stop reacting to my triggers and start living with confidence. That transformation sparked something in me, a passion to help others experience the same freedom and healing I had found. Now it's my mission to guide others through their own journeys, helping them release pain, break free from limiting beliefs, and step into their true potential. If I can heal, I know you can too, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful in understanding what EFT is and how we can help you. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit from EFT tapping. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I look forward to holding space for your healing. Until next time, I'm sending you so much love and light. Thank you.